Kidney failure is a very common health problem, and often, if not given the necessary medical attention, one can die. The main function of the kidney is to purify the blood and remove toxins and chemical wastes that are generated during critical metabolic functions. Hemodialysis training in Los Angeles ensures that hospitals and other private clinics have efficient personnel to run dialysis machines. Without these machines, they would die as a result of high levels of toxic wastes in their blood. It is important to note that these toxins are regularly produced during normal body functions like digestion. For one to be an effective technician, they need to be trained well on the various critical areas of the profession, which include patient care, use and care of the dialysis equipment. People who have kidney failure do not have the ability to effectively purify their own blood. This often results in accumulating of toxic wastes to harmful levels in their bodies. Consequently, they get very weak and puffed up. Many dialysis clinics, both public and private, have been opened so as to ensure the treatment needs of the many kidney patients have been effectively met. Learning to work with the sick and how to easily get along with them is one of the core goals of the course. People who easily get along with others have an advantage as they are lovable and easily connect with the patients. Another important area that one has to effectively master is the operation of the various machines that are to be used during this process. Before an interested individual enrolls for training in this medical field, they should take time and seek clarification on the recommended institutions in a particular area. This can be done by visiting the Health Services Regulatory Board or the Health Department to get relevant information. Another easy and reliable way is to get career advice from people in this particular field of health science. It is important to note that one needs to have good soft skill, as this particular profession is therapeutic and one has a lot of interaction with the patients. This is because most sessions take more than an hour, and the technician has to be there to monitor the progress of the patient during the purification process. At such points, many patients ask questions and need to be reassured and encouraged. It is important that one should adequately prepare for this exam so that they can pass it during their first attempt. Preparing for this particular test can be challenging as it requires great sacrifice and focus. One not only needs to attend classes, but they also have to get extra reading materials and attempt several sample tests so that they can be well prepared. Another way you can prepare for this test is by getting trained on the job at specific clinics and institutions. Another important resource that you can make the best use of is the internet. Many are encouraged to use online resources such as books and video lectures so as to ensure that they are well prepared for the certification exam. Hemodialysis training in Los Angeles goes a long way in preparing students for the numerous challenges that the job market has to offer.